Hello, in this video I want to show you how to install Microsoft Edge browser on Android 14 devices. And to do this we'll need to open our Google Play Store. Now in the top search enter Microsoft Edge. Click install. When it's ready, you should be able to open this app. Now there's this introduction. You can read through it to learn some interesting features about this browser. I'm gonna skip it. Here we can adjust the homepage with wallpaper, most visited sites, and a news feed. Let's click on the next. Now we can sign in to turn on synchronization between other devices and browsers. Make Microsoft Edge your default browser. You can also skip it by clicking on Not Now. And lastly, accept or disagree with data sharing. Click on Confirm and the browser should be ready. Now you can open any website, and as you can see it works fine. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.